I am hearing an echo. Are you guys?
Mm-mm.
Okay, good. Then I'm not going to worry about the echo. So I do have a PowerPoint. Is it just better to do without and just chat?
It's up
Let
to
me
you.
just
Want to
chat
try?
then. Yeah, let me just check because I'm not sure how strong this. So thank you, Robin, for having this and putting this all together as you do and continuing our meetings this way. I think it's really awesome to have, so we can all stay connected. So I am Laurie Abramson with Legal Shield and ID Shield. And we all have our car insurance and our health insurance and life insurance, but what are we doing to protect ourselves and our most important asset, which is us and our identity? I want to share a little bit about Legal Shield and what we do. And last time I spoke, we talked a lot about identity theft, and it's running rampant right now and even getting stronger. The Legal Shield is a 48-year-old company. We cover members in all 50 states. We're in all of Canada, and we've recently opened into the UK. So we're expanding and growing. And for those of you that are not as familiar with what we do, think about all the things that we go through on an everyday basis. You know, have you ever signed a contract? Have you had any landlord issues? Have you been treated unfairly? We've just had a question that you want to talk to an attorney about and get the proper answer. I know I usually would call my girlfriend, my best friend, and get an answer, but it was not necessarily the legal answer, which is really important to have. So we help with these everyday situations, whether they're large or small. Our law firms cover every area of law. Our plans will cover your entire family, you and your family. With our mobile app that we have our mobile app, and wherever you have access to your phone, you have access to your law firm. You just tap the app and have your consultation directly with your attorney. If you need to upload a document to the law firm, you can do it right through the mobile app. If you get a moving traffic violation, snap a picture of the ticket, upload it to the law firm. The attorneys will call you back within 4 business hours. And their goal with moving traffic violations is to keep the points off of our records so our car insurance rates don't go up. And I can tell you, my husband is a good driver, but he's had to check the service out in multiple states. So he's always had, the law firm, they gave him the representation. He's never had to go back into court himself. So what I really want to focus on today is with the coronavirus situation. And again, my background also, I'm a critical care nurse. And I've seen so many situations in the hospital where family members have been in the waiting room and fighting with each other, whether it's 2 sisters fighting because they don't know, they're fighting over how to take care of their father who's dying on a ventilator. Or we had a wife come in and she wanted to speak with the doctor and someone else piped up and said, oh no, not the wife. I'm the one that has the power of attorney. So there's so many situations, and nowadays when family members, we can't be with our loved ones, or if we're in the hospital, if they can't be with us, it's so important to have our estate planning documents and papers all in place. And you read stories all the time of the physicians who are just begging, how do we care for this patient? What are their wishes? What do you want us to do? While they're holding our loved ones' hands at the bedside in their last minutes. And we're stuck outside in the parking lot trying to figure out how to deal with this. I have a girlfriend right now who I've been talking to all night long. Her mother just passed away from COVID-19. Her oldest sister is now in the ICU, having a really hard time. So this situation it's just bringing to light how important it is to have all of these documents in place. And with Legal Shield, what we do is through our membership, it provides a will, a living will, healthcare power of attorney, financial powers of attorney, so we can have all our wishes documented and everything is in place. It's just so important right now to continue to do that. The hospital staff knows how to take care of us or what to do. Like I said, I just can't tell you how many times I've witnessed things and the stories that we all keep hearing. So really what we're trying to do with the Legal Shield is just put us all in the best possible position to empower us. So most everything that we do with our benefits falls right within the membership, and some things fall within a 25% discount. But our services are very affordable. Our legal plans will cover the whole family, children. Our identity theft plan covers you. It will also cover the family. And I can go into details with everything individually if you guys would like me to. I'm happy to answer any other questions. I just ask that we please all, whether it's through me or not, please get your estate planning documents in place and have them ready, and hopefully we'll never ever have to use them. But with all these challenging times, Legal Shield also has put up a legal resource center to answer our questions. And it's different from the many other awesome resource centers that are available for governmental regulations and new things that are coming out. But our legal resource center is updated daily by our law firms, and it's based on the questions that our members are asking. So personal questions or business questions, how to handle things. And those are updated daily. And I can put the link in the chat box. It's COVID-19 legalupdates.com. COVID-19 legalupdates.com, which is a link, and anyone can access that. And like I said, just check back frequently because those are updated daily. And I will put my contact information in the chat box. So if anyone has questions, I am very happy to answer them and talk to you. And just please stay well, everybody. Thank you.